In Kenya, we study English for two major purposes, for academic use and also for personal development or growth. For example, we study English to be able to answer to comprehensions and attempt questions in them. We also study English to process information from other sources, for example, newspapers, journals, our personal journals, or any information from any written material. We also study English to develop an interest in reading on a wide range of subjects from novels, poems, and other things that are written materials. Moreover, we study English to comprehend literary materials, e.g. poems from friends. We have friends who are writers, poets. To read and understand their materials, to criticize the materials, and also to understand and comprehend literary materials from Kenyan writers, East African writers, and also from abroad, e.g. movies, any work, music, anything literary. We also study English to make an efficient use of sources of information, e.g. the dictionary, the encyclopedia, the internet, and the libraries in the school. On the other hand, we use the study of English to understand the correct spelling, paragraphing, and punctuation marks, e.g. full stops, commas, colons, etc. We also use English to understand a variety of sentences, structures, and vocabularies. E.g. we have three types of sentences, that is the simple sentences, compound and complex sentences. We can use them in our writings because English is all about communication in writing and one-on-one using the word of mouth. Another thing, we use English to communicate well in functional and creative thinking. Functional writing, mostly we test it in paper 1, where you write a letter to your friend, a letter to your institution. Creative thinking, this is the paper 3, the question 1 about composition, an argumentative essay or a composition, a creative composition. Lastly, English helps us in writing neatly, legibly, and critically, because I've said that English is all about communication, either in writing or through word of mouth. In Kenya, we study English for two major purposes, for academic use and also for personal development or growth. For example, we study English to be able to answer to comprehensions and attempt questions in them. We also study English to process information from other sources, for example, newspapers,